basement of the Daily Bugle. Whoever's controlling
Old Man Reviews here, and here we go. So, what's with all the fire? Come on, drop. So what's with all the fire in a newspaper building? I mean, two more of them, but I don't think they can get past this. Oh, where's? Apparently neither can I, huh? These guys are all over, and they're really nowhere else to go. This is where I started almost. Okay, that's where I started. Alright, now I have to get to the next part. They won't be able to follow you through anyway. Right there. Right, and I have to go up.
Where'd he come from? Needs a little more open.
Did I get it? Yep, I got it. Alright, weird camera angle stuff. Is it worth this? Alright, so apparently heat and
The imposter!
webbing.
Why do they always run? That's the guy who
And where's he
framed
running
me.
to? What?
And the one who stole
This
the
next level,
technology.
being in the Bugle, makes no sense. Where are all these tunnels? And let's continue without saving. You will die. Alright, this seems like a really tough challenge. Just on the...
Those glowing conduits.
And
look
of
like
course
the
if you
source
don't
of
jump when you're supposed to.
Maybe if I should keep them
Oh.
all with my impact
It's
webs.
Mr. Exposition again.
Give it up, buckethead!
You're no match for me! Got you!
Whoa. Oh. I call shenanigans. I hit the jump button there. That's gonna cause some damage.
You shall not escape me!
You know, Mysterio, the bigger they are, the harder they fall.
Think again, Spider-Man!
Come on.
Time to burst
Come on.
your bubble, Mysterio.
That's what should be done already. I'm not
You know, Mysterio,
playing as well as I should be.
the harder they fall.
Yes, or sometimes the bigger they are, the harder they hit. Let's not save. Let's go through the cutscene.